Why are we here? What do we want? And how are we going to do it?
No, you start. You say aloha.
Oui, je commence, et puis après on va faire autre chose. Aloha, my name is Richard Kraft, and this is my wife.
Greta Kraft.
And we would like to present to you an extraordinary vision and a realization that will happen here on the island of Kauai that involves a community of extraordinary people that are co-creating a center, a village in which their health, their food, their lodging, and their spiritual well-being will be addressed and will be manifested in all aspects of their lives. We call this the Promisol Sanctuary. Promisol is a Bulgarian word that means promised land, and in French it's translated in the same way. And in this sanctuary, we're inviting people to come and live together, create their own homes, grow their foods, and there'll be a school, an education in which they will learn how to love, how to create, and how to manifest in their lives kindness, gentleness, intelligence, harmony, and peace, not only for themselves, but for all those around them. And Greta's going to say a few words on what we created together called Soul Essence Education, which is the base, the methodology in which the school will be based upon.